Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you have not, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you're already subscribed, go ahead and hit that bell button so you get those notifications. Today, we're gonna be working on the third brake light for the truck. We're here with my boy Zeus. He's excited to help us out. It's pretty nasty, it's pretty ugly. We're gonna go ahead and take it out. We're gonna do a little comparison side by side for the new one, and I'll show you guys what I went with and why I went with it, and not to go with the one I got on there. So stay tuned. Alright, so all you're going to need realistically is just a Phillips to get these screws out, and it should pop on out for you. It's super easy. You can obviously tell right here I need to get this done and taken care of, so let's go ahead and do it. Once you've got those connectors disconnected, go ahead, take it off. It's that simple. And do your comparison, because man, there's a huge difference. Why GoRecon, right? Why did I go with a third brake light for a Recon? Why did I spend $130 when you can spend $40 or $30 on one off of eBay? I have their cab lights, I have their tail lights, which their tail lights are $499. You know, that's not cheap. I think the cab lights were a little expensive too. But I've had the tail lights for 2 years. I got this off eBay 2 years ago. And look at the difference in just UV protection. You can't beat the quality they actually put into their products. Like I said, I've had the tail lights for 2 years. I've had that third brake light for 2 years. That thing faded like that probably a month after getting it, and it looks terrible. The cab lights haven't faded at all. I've had those for about a year now, and they're perfect. No problems with the LEDs. The LEDs in my third brake light, there's parts that are wrong, there's parts that are out, you know, they don't work. I had the same issue with my tail lights, and that's the reason why I went with the GoRecon ones. I've had them for 2 years and no issues. So yeah, you're gonna pay close to $100 more for the GoRecon one. It's way better quality, it's a way better product. I'm happy with everything they have. And I mean, this doesn't even look black, it looks green. And it was the same color as the GoRecon one. And look at that, it's terrible. Now they do have a niche in this world. You know, they really are a good quality, middle of the road cab light, tail light, third brake light when it comes to price. You know, it's not cheap, but it's not expensive. You know, if you want to start getting into expensive, let's go ahead and talk about custom cab lights, custom third brake lights. You know, you can go into all sorts of different stuff when it comes to this. For what you get, for the price you pay, is really good, and you're not going to be upset with it. I would highly suggest them. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Again, if you have not already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You're going to get a little insight before you see the video uploaded on what I'm doing on the truck. Let's go ahead and get this installed and see what it looks like. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to install the resistor you get with it. You're going to peel back the 3M backing. You're going to stick it on a nice smooth metal surface away from anything that is possibly flammable. They do get really hot, so it can be a fire hazard if they're installed wrong. Likelihood, not really, but just be cautious about it. Then you're gonna go ahead, connect the factory connector back together, install the 2 screws, and you're good. Like I said before, go ahead, follow me on Instagram if you have not already. It's an outstanding product, it's an outstanding difference. It's a crazy difference. I will post what it looks like at night. So make sure you go ahead and do that. The link in the description will be below. Also, the link in the description below will be for that third brake light. You're gonna wanna get it, you're gonna wanna check it out. Don't go with the eBay one. I've had 2 eBay ones already, and I could have paid for that and been done with it once. So, like I said before, go ahead, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok if you have not already. I'm gonna post a night picture so you guys can see what it looks like. And I can tell you right now, by the looks of it in the daylight, it's gonna be outstanding, and I'm excited for the product. Link in the description to both my Instagram and my TikTok will be below. Also, the link for the third brake light will be below in the description. Go ahead and check ReconLighting out. And you guys have yourselves a great night and a great weekend, and we'll see you guys soon.